So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and here most of you are asking about the MLH swag status, that you have received the email and there it's showing you haven't earned the swags. So how to fix the error and how to get the swags, all things will cover in this video. And if you don't know about the MLH event, I've shared the link in this description box. You can just check out, and the challenge solutions, you can just follow all the solutions and complete the challenges. Now before we begin, make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video. So this is the mail which I have received today. You must have also received in case you are participating in this challenge. Now here it's showing the swag status that you haven't earned any swags, and they are listing some of the challenges over here. So first of all, just open the schedule on a new tab and make sure you are signed in over here. Now you can see there are multiple check-ins. So simply just click on register and check in. Okay. After that, you can see the next event. Just simply click on register. Okay. Now you have to just click on the third event also, register. And add fourth event also, register. Now you can see this is the time zone. It will be starting in this time zone. So we need to convert it to IST. So let me just convert it. So once you have registered in all these events, okay, you'll be getting an email for signing up, means checking in. So you need to just click on the check-in. Whether you attend the event or not, you just have to simply click on check-in. And after that, here you can see we have to complete one challenge. So they are asking us to complete one challenge, that is sign up for GitHub Developer Pack. So you have to simply open it. And what you need to do, you have to just open it like this. And here you have to fill the form to get the GitHub Developer Pack. How to get it? I have already made a video. I'll link the video in the description. So it's for GitHub Developer Pack. Okay, this is the video. You can watch it. How to claim the GitHub Developer Pack. And once you have claimed it, you have to attach the simple screenshot image that you have been approved. Okay, for GitHub Developer Challenge, you need a college student email. If you have, it will be easily activated. So you have to simply upload the screenshot of it, like we did in different challenges. You can just refer to previous videos and upload the image. Once you have done all these things, you can simply submit it and you'll be eligible for the basic swag. Now, if you don't have a student ID like me, then in such case, what you can do, you can simply scroll down and come over here, that cannot sign up for GitHub Developer Student Pack. So you have to click on it and simply click on submit. Now here you can just mention a reason, that I am no longer a student and don't have access to college email or ID, and simply click on submit. So we completed this challenge also and it has been approved. So let's see tomorrow what happens and whether we are able to get the points or not. They have clearly mentioned we need to complete the following steps fully, check in and complete the requirements. So we have earned 6 points. If you have watched the video, you also have earned 6 points, and you need to simply come to this schedule page and simply register for all these events. Okay, simply register for it and it's in. Okay, the timing they have converted also. So the first thing is that how to register. Simply first thing you have to register and check in, and after that around 12:30 a.m. IST. Okay, you have to again click on register, and simply here check-in option will be there. You have to click on check-in. Now the next thing is that similarly 4:30 a.m. you have to simply click on register. You can register now also and simply go to check-in, and like this you have to do all these challenges. So this was a quick update I wanted to share. Do like the video and subscribe the channel, and if you have any doubts you can let in the comment section. Multiple events are now live parallelly, like the GFG challenges, NPCI challenge, and some more challenges. If you are interested in completing the Global Hack Week challenges, for that also I've attached the playlist, you can check it out. So thank you, have a great day ahead.